Hey, high levelers, Ray O'Daniel here. I want to create this video to give you an idea of all the resources that I'm giving away to each and every one of you if you want them. Right now, I don't think a lot of people understand all the things that I'm actually giving away for free, and more importantly, how to access everything. So right now, what I'd like to do is at least kind of start with my sort of favorites, is a lot of my snapshots. I have about 6 snapshots right now that for different industries and different types of things. I'm going to show you where those are and what those are here in just a minute. But I've got snapshots, I have courses, depending upon where you're at in your high level journey. For the most part, I will let you know that these courses are set up for people who are just getting started with high level. Some of them are actually for people who have not even signed up for high level yet, as a way to understand what high level is and what it does, how you can make money with high level, and some of the features. And then from there, once they get to the point where they understand how to make money with high level, then they can sign up and start utilizing. Hopefully, you'll sign up using my 30-day free trial link in the description of this video. But if you already have an account, great. If you can, just think about me when you upgrade. I'd appreciate it. That link is also in the video description if you're looking to upgrade. But beyond that, I've got a beginner's course that teaches you like 9 different ways of using high level to make money. And I've actually created a brand new course that I called a sort of a 30 Days to Success Action Plan. And I'm going to show you what that is. I'm kind of excited. That did take me quite a bit of time to get that up and going. But what I see a lot is when people sign up for the high level system, it's where do I begin? I mean, they get emails from high level, you have a kickoff call, and if you sign up with an affiliate, you might have a Zoom call, and you're looking to get right into it. But sometimes you miss a lot of pieces, a lot of steps that you don't know you missed. And then you start getting your business going and realizing, man, I don't have those things. And now you're like working in your business, and now you have to go back and retrofit your sub account with all these things in it. Well, I wanted to sit back and give you this course again, day by day. What you're going to do is go and do the day one. You're going to finish those tasks. Now, for the most part, these tasks are things that you can get done within 1 to 3 hours every day. Now, if you really want to be aggressive, I mean, you could just go all out and just do 5 days in one day if you want to. That's going to be completely up to you. But I tried to break this up and to make it as simple as possible, to just go step by step, day by day, for an hour to 3 hours, to not burn you out, to at least have you focus on the particular task at hand for that particular day. And then over 30 days, if you use, hopefully you did use my affiliate link, then you'll have a 30-day free trial to go out and actually get your account set up, get high level set up, test everything. And then once you test everything and make sure that it's all working, how to start prospecting for clients, how to go out and find them, and things like that, to bringing on new clients before you even have to start paying for the software inside of high level. So these are all the things I'm offering. Now, to do that, I did create, I am having a link, sorry about that, in the video description for my SAAS Jumpstart training course. Everything that I just talked about is all contained inside of my SAAS Jumpstart course. Now, if you've already signed up for a snapshot, or if you've already signed up for my SAAS Jumpstart course, whatever, all you have to do is log back into the community, and I'm going to show you where that is and how you do it, and just simply access the training. You don't need to sign up again. However, if you have not signed up for my course, then you'll need to click on the link, sign up, and then get access to it, or access it directly through GoHighlevel, or go directly to my portal link, but probably GoHighlevel would be the best. This it's called SAAS Jumpstart, SAAS Jumpstart is the name of the group. So let me hop in and show you where you would do it and how you would access all this. Okay, so right now I'm in my portal. This is portal.rayodaniel.com. And again, I don't want you to write it down, because once you sign up, you'll get emails with all these links and things like that in it, welcoming you to the group. But right now, I do have 2 groups, one of which is my SAAS Jumpstart group, and I'm going to show you where that is. The other one is my affiliate support group. So if you actually are my affiliate, then the affiliate support group is another community that I offer, where you can have one-on-one communications with me regarding your problems, configuration, setups, things like that. And that group right there has all of my additional affiliate snapshots, bonuses, training, everything that I would normally give out as my bonuses is actually available in that group. But if you're not an affiliate of mine, then the only thing you can do is really access the SAAS Jumpstart group unless you upgrade. Now, I do want to simply keep that in mind. I'm trying to give a plug for myself here, that if you upgrade to the Agency Pro, you can use my upgrade link. But if you also want to sign up for AI Employee, AI Employee is another one of those. If you go to the agency level and you go to your agency setup, or your AI Employee, you can actually, if you've signed up for the very first time, you can put in a reference code for an affiliate. Now, if you do use my affiliate code, RAYODANIEL, just Ray O'Daniel. If you do use all of that, just no spaces, just that's my affiliate ID, If you do put that in there for your AI employee and then activate it under the plan, then you will become an affiliate of mine as well, and you get access to all my bonuses and things like that as well. So please keep that in mind, that if you do want to activate AI employee, this does not work if you're doing pay-as-you-go for it here. This has to be on more of a monthly plan that you actually have, but you do become an employee of mine as well, and then you get all my bonuses too. So please remember, those are the different upgrade paths that you can to get all of my free training bonuses and access to me to help with get you all set up here. But let's get back to the situation here. We're going to go into our SAAS Jumpstart group. Here's the community that we have right now. This community is, again, just set up. We're growing. We're probably about 2,500, 3,000, somewhere in that ballpark for people in the community. But right now, when you access the community here, this is where for some reason people have a lot of problems. Everything is actually here under the Learning tab. This Learning tab right here. So you're going to click on that. Now, everybody in the group gets access to this, okay? So there's just a getting started. You don't necessarily need to watch that. But here is my high-level snapshots. This is where all of my snapshots are at, and I'm going to show you and take a look at that. This SaaS business models, this is where those the training for the 9 different features that you can sell and make money inside of Highlevel, the quick and easy ones. This right here is where that training is. And again, for people who have not signed up for Highlevel here, that's perfectly fine. You still can have access to all this, but if you don't have a GoHighlevel account, then you can't use the snapshots, and then this 30-day action plan isn't going to do anything for you. So right now, if you're still, again, trying to learn, which is my strategy, my strategy is don't hop in too fast. Just sit back and look at the SaaS business models, understand what Highlevel is and what you can sell, and then once you feel comfortable, then sign up under the starter plan. If money is an issue, I recommend going to the Agency Pro myself, because that has the most bang for the buck and everything that you get from automations and setups and things like that. But if, again, money is a budget item that you're looking for, then start with the $97 plan, use one of the sub-accounts for yourself, and then use the other 2 sub-accounts to actually get clients. Once you get clients, please go right from the 97 to the 497 plan. Okay, don't go to the unlimited plan, because there's still some problems, in my opinion, with that regarding billing. You don't get some of the rebilling and some of the other automation. You don't get it at the 297 level. But if you are going to go from 97 to 497, please remember, use my upgrade link, because you get all my bonuses and everything else, and it doesn't really matter as long as you use my link. You become my affiliate. So these business models, again, where we teach them 9 different lessons, and right now these are the lessons that I sit back and give. If this thing can sit back and load. So right now, this is 45 lessons in this one, and this right here, if you take a look, you have the course introduction, what is SaaS. So here's some basic stuff. It's not just about the training inside of Highlevel. I want to help you understand what SaaS is, what software as a service is, some of the high-level plans and pricing. If you're going to be looking at that, what are those? How to have a one-on-one Zoom call strategy with me, how to do some of the client prospecting inside of that, how to use Google Maps to do some prospecting effectively, but how to sell websites, the website chat widget, reputation management, missed call text back, database reactivation, social media management, local SEO, WordPress websites, and then AI. All of these are different things that you can sell and make money at inside of the Highlevel platform. Now, there's also some other stuff with business setups, like choosing your niche, naming your business, and things like that I've got in there. You can watch that once you do that. It's just there to help you out with getting your business started. So this is a great course for people who are looking to get started with Highlevel, and they might not know what Highlevel is exactly yet, or what they're looking to sell. Now, here we've got the new 30-day action plan, and some of these other ones. This is my cold email outreach snapshot. Now, this snapshot, for instance, this right here is not training over that. It's actually a one-time purchase of $297. If you're looking to do cold email outreach, I have a whole snapshot that can get you there in just a few hours, get you completely set up and ready to go once you plug in some of your customizations. But that right there is there for people if you want to purchase it. If you are my affiliate, you get that for free. So that right there is available here on the affiliate support group. You can download that directly if you're a member of that group. So here we've got the 30-day action plan, and I'm going to show you that here in just a minute. But I'm going to come back up in here and just show you the high-level snapshots real quick. And again, everything I'm showing you here, of course, besides the cold email outreach where I charge you for it, all of this is free. It's completely free for you to sit back and download. Now, here are my snapshots. I do have one for reputation management, which, by the way, if you notice, I just came out with another video. I just added a lot of different pieces into the reputation management snapshot that people have asked me for. So I do update my snapshots if I do get feedback from people about what they're looking for. So reputation management has been updated. For this one, if you're looking to just sell that service to people, this is really good. Has a lot of built-in stuff. Watch the YouTube video on there. And as a matter of fact, if you open this up, you probably will get the reputation management YouTube video training right here that's available. So that's, sorry about that. That's there. And some of the other ones are just for HVAC. So if you're looking to do home heating, venting, and air conditioning, HVAC, this could also potentially work for plumbers, electricians. It can be slightly modified for that as well. So any of those. missed call text back. If you're looking to go out for auto detailing, all of these specific niches like HVAC, auto detailing, landscape, and then real estate agent, all of these have specific funnels, setup, workflow, actions, and things like that geared toward that specific industry that can help you. Again, it's not 100%. I don't ever guarantee that. It's not going to be just boom, you just download it, you can sell it, and everything will be good. My goal is to try to get you 70%, maybe even 80, 85% of the way there. And then you have to kind of fill in the rest, but to give you the bulk of it, just to help you get set up and get going as quickly as possible. So this right here are all the snapshots that you get, and then all the snapshots that you get will in turn also have video training right here. This auto detailing one's 36 minutes, and again, it's probably just the same training that's on my YouTube channel, but just make it easier to have it here as well. Now, last but not least, getting started, this right here, again, I created this really for my affiliates that sign up for this. So I really like for my affiliates to sign up to take this because it gives them a day-by-day, easy to go through step-by-step process of getting their account set up. So here it is. This is there's 16 lessons here for action plans. Here's the intro. The intro has some cool things as far as being able to download some of the Google Docs that I have that has all this stuff put together. If you're more of you want to see all of them together, then you can download that if you want to. Here's some of the support options and things like that. And then here's actually a link to the community if you wanted to just link it up directly. But if we want to go back here, we've got week 1, getting your agency account set up, finish getting your agency account, things like that. So if we come here, it's like getting your agency account set up, just to kind of show you. You will have a video training here, but then you've got like some action steps right here. Get your payment processor set up, get Stripe set up. If you don't know how, there's a link to help you get Stripe set up, get this set up. So again, it's just step by step. I don't want to spend the video going through all the exact step-by-step items, but just it's very particular. Once you go through this course, sorry about that, it keep popping out of it here. But whenever you go through the course, it will take you to get your agency set up, to get your sub-account set up, to get everything inside of your sub-account set up, to get them built, what you should have, test everything that you have, and then eventually start creating a marketing plan, start helping you understand what it is you're looking to sell, come up with a plan for what you're looking to sell and how you're looking to price it. All of that stuff is inside the course here. So you get all of these things. So you got day 1, you get week 1, week 2 action plan to get all these things done. So right now, this is just a bunch of free resources that I want to make sure that you have. Again, if you're already a member of SAAS Jumpstart, just log in to portal.rayodaniel.com using your email address and password. If you don't remember it, just reset your password. It's just that easy. But if you have not signed up, click on the SAAS Jumpstart training, get signed up here. And guys, if there's anything else that you're looking for, please send me an email. The email is in my YouTube channel, just ray@smb360.io. You can email me. I'm always looking to continue to update the training, update these things to help you guys move forward so that you can be successful. So guys, that's it. Thanks so much. And with me, have a good day. And hopefully you'll get a lot of good things out of this. If you do like it, click on the like button, leave me a comment. I do appreciate it. Those type of things really push this video up and make YouTube understand that, my channel is one of the better channels out there for helping people with high level. So if you're not a subscriber, click on the subscribe button. I have tons of videos coming out every week. Thank you so much again for hanging in there with me and have a great day. Bye-bye.